Tired of everyday problems slowing you down at home? These clever Amazon gadgets are designed to fix the little annoyances you deal with daily, fast and effortlessly. From smart solutions you didn't know you needed to simple upgrades that just make sense, these picks are total game changers. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Make moving heavy loads effortless. This folding hand truck extends with a simple push, letting you carry boxes, luggage, or groceries without strain. Its sturdy aluminum frame supports up to 180 pounds while gliding smoothly on quality wheels. When not in use, it folds down to just 2 inches thick for easy storage. Lightweight, portable, and durable, it's perfect for home, office, travel, or any task that needs a helping hand. Keep your clothes flawless while ironing. This heat-resistant silicone cover slides over your iron's sole plate, protecting delicate fabrics from burns and scorch marks. The smooth, non-stick surface lets your iron glide effortlessly over silk, satin, cotton, or denim. It's compatible with most household irons and easy to use. Just slip it on and start ironing. Save your fabrics and your effort with a simple, practical protective layer every time. Stay dry without tying up your hands. This wearable umbrella holder straps comfortably to your shoulder or backpack, letting you carry drinks, phones, or bags while walking in the rain. The rubber-lined grip keeps any standard compact umbrella secure, even in heavy downpours. Adjustable straps let you customize the fit for comfort and convenience. Perfect for commuting, hiking, or daily travel, it's a simple way to stay hands-free and protected. Give your furry friend a spa-level drying experience at home. This pet dryer box uses a patented fresh air system to keep air flowing while protecting your pet's breathing. A powerful motor creates gentle, 360-degree airflow, reaching even tricky spots like paws and belly, while staying ultra-quiet so your pet can relax. Smart temperature control keeps the heat steady and safe, preventing overheating. It even doubles as a cozy bed, making grooming comfortable for all seasons. Tired of fighting over outlets? This flexible power strip bends and twists so any plug fits without blocking the others. It has 3 AC outlets plus 2 USB ports, letting you charge multiple devices at once. The 5-foot cord gives you plenty of reach while keeping your desk or floor organized. Built-in surge protection keeps your gadgets safe, and its compact, portable design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel. A real shower doesn't have to stay at home. This portable electric shower lets you rinse off anywhere, whether you're camping, traveling, or washing a muddy pet. You drop it into a bucket of water, turn it on, and enjoy steady water flow right away. Adjustable pressure lets you choose a gentle rinse or a stronger stream when you need it. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to pack, so you stay clean no matter where the day takes you. Choking emergencies can happen fast, and this device is made to help when every second counts. It uses strong suction to help remove an obstruction when standard methods don't work or aren't possible. With a simple one-button action and built-in safety valves, it's designed to work without pushing air deeper into the throat. Compact and reusable, it's easy to keep nearby at home or in the car for peace of mind. Wrinkled clothes can ruin a trip faster than a lost charger. These foldable travel hangers pack down tiny, then open up to hold your outfits just like home. The anti-slip design keeps shirts and dresses from sliding off in hotel closets or cabins. They're lightweight but strong enough for everyday clothes, so you don't have to improvise. Toss a few in your bag and you're always ready to hang, dry, or organize on the go. Toilet cleaning doesn't have to be gross or complicated. This disposable toilet wand lets you scrub, clean, and toss the pad when you're done. No dirty brush sitting around. The pre-filled scrub pads foam up fast and reach under the rim where mess usually hides. You just click on a pad, clean in seconds, and release it straight into the trash. It mounts neatly on the wall, keeping your bathroom cleaner and way more hygienic. Running out of battery doesn't have to slow you down. This mini portable charger plugs straight into your phone, so there's no cable to carry or forget. It delivers fast charging, giving you a big power boost when you need it most. The compact size slips easily into your pocket or bag, making it perfect for busy days or travel. You can even check the digital display to see exactly how much power you have left. Grating and slicing shouldn't slow dinner down. This electric grater does the hard work for you, turning veggies or cheese into neat pieces in seconds. You just drop food into the wide opening and let the motor handle the rest. 3 interchangeable blades let you slice, shred, or grate depending on what you're making. It stays steady on the counter and cleans up easily, so prep feels faster, cleaner, and way less tiring. Learning to draw just got a playful little helper. This interactive drawing robot talks your child through each step, making pictures feel easy and fun. Kids follow along using picture cards, building confidence as shapes turn into animals, objects, and cute characters. The voice guidance and music keep them focused while improving hand control and creativity. It's like having a patient art teacher that encourages kids to learn, draw, and enjoy every minute. What if your skincare started at the sink? This Faucet Filter upgrades your tap water to be gentler on your skin every time you wash your face. It removes harsh chlorine and common impurities that can dry you out or clog pores, so your skin feels calmer and more hydrated. The ultrafine carbon fiber filtration traps tiny particles, which helps keep your skin barrier happy and balanced. You can switch between filtered and regular water with one button, and it installs in minutes. It's a small change that makes your daily routine feel noticeably better. Hair clogs don't stand a chance with this simple little lifesaver. These disposable drain stickers sit right over your drain and quietly catch hair and debris before they cause problems. You just peel, place, and let it do the work. No tools, no setup, no mess. The fine mesh blocks hair without slowing water down, so you can shower or wash dishes like normal. When it's full, you toss it and stick on a fresh one. Easy, clean, and seriously time-saving. Scrubbing shouldn't feel like a workout, and this tool proves it. This cordless electric scrubber spins for you, lifting grime from tubs, tiles, glass, and more with almost no effort. You can adjust the handle length so you clean floors or corners without bending or kneeling. 2 spin speeds let you go gentle for everyday messes or stronger for stuck-on dirt, saving you time either way. With multiple brush heads and long battery life, you just grab it, clean fast, and move on with your day. Stop dirt and germs at the door with this 2-in-1 shoe disinfectant mat. Step on the wet rubber posts to scrub off mud and grit. Then the high-density carpet wipes your soles clean and dry. It works indoors or outdoors and is gentle to walk on while keeping your floors spotless. Anti-slip backing keeps it in place, and removable sections make cleaning or disinfecting easy. A simple step for you to keep every entryway fresh and hygienic. Give your jewelry and glasses the spa treatment they deserve. This ultrasonic cleaner sends high-frequency waves through water to lift dirt, oil, and build up from delicate items. Just fill the tank, choose a mode, and press start. No harsh chemicals needed. Its spacious stainless steel tank fits rings, watches, dentures, and more, making deep cleaning effortless. In minutes, your items look polished and sparkling like new again. Moving heavy appliances shouldn't feel like a workout. This adjustable roller base slides under washers, fridges, or furniture and lets you move them with ease. Multiple wheels spread the weight evenly, so your floors stay protected while everything glides smoothly. Locking brakes keep the appliance steady once it's in place. It's a simple upgrade that makes cleaning, rearranging, and maintenance much easier for you. Butter spreads better when it sprays. This cordless electric butter sprayer turns melted butter into a fine, even mist with just one press. You get full flavor on popcorn, toast, and veggies without soaking everything in grease. The refillable chamber lets you melt and store butter right inside the device. Compact and mess-free, it makes buttery goodness easier and cleaner for you. That favorite sweater doesn't have to look worn out. This electric fabric shaver glides over clothes and furniture, lifting away fuzz and pills in seconds. You just run it across the surface and watch fabrics look fresh again without pulling or damage. It's gentle enough for delicate materials, but strong enough for couches and blankets. Rechargeable and easy to clean, it helps you keep everything looking new with almost no effort. Hands tired of holding your tablet? This flexible gooseneck holder clips onto your bed, desk, or table and brings your screen right to eye level. You bend the arm exactly where you want it, making watching, reading, or video calls way more comfortable. It's designed for viewing, so you can relax without craning your neck or straining your arms. Perfect for recipes, shows, or late-night scrolling while you stay hands-free and comfortable. Bacon lovers, this one flips the script on greasy cooking. This vertical bacon cooker lets you hang strips upright so excess grease drips away as they crisp up. You get that crunchy, satisfying bite without the pan full of mess. The non-stick interior and removable parts make cleanup quick and painless for you. Just set the dial, close the door, and let perfectly cooked bacon happen on its own. Cold leftovers don't have to ruin your day anymore. This electric lunchbox heats your meal wherever you are, so you can skip the microwave hunt. You just plug it in at home, at work, or in your car, and let it warm your food evenly without drying it out. Separate compartments keep dishes organized and leak-free while you travel. It's a simple way for you to enjoy a hot, homemade meal anytime. Cleaning doesn't have to feel like hard labor. This cordless disinfectant fogger turns liquid sanitizer into a fine mist that coats surfaces evenly in seconds. You just press the trigger and watch it reach corners, fabrics, and hard-to-clean areas without scrubbing. The rechargeable battery lets you move freely from room to room with no cords in the way. It's an easy way for you to keep spaces feeling fresh, clean, and professionally sanitized. Wrinkles don't stand a chance, even when you're living out of a suitcase. This compact travel iron is made for quick touch-ups wherever you land. It heats up fast and uses even ceramic heat, so you can smooth shirts, collars, and cuffs without scorching delicate fabrics. Global voltage means you can plug in almost anywhere and get the same reliable performance. Lightweight and foldable, it slips easily into your bag so you always look polished on the go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.